Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable 90 FPS on BGMI on devices running OxygenOS 11. This device is actually a OnePlus 8T and you can easily enable 90 FPS whenever you want using an app known as AutoHurge. It's a very useful app, as you can see. Check the build number first. It's running OxygenOS 11. The latest stable version of OxygenOS 11 for OnePlus 8T. Let me show you a bit. Let's see. OxygenOS 11.0.12.12 for OnePlus 8T. Now let me show you how that works. There's a quick setting tiles. In fact, there is a quick setting tiles. Starting normally, BGMI will run on 60 FPS. See, even after enabling 90 FPS in the graphic settings, the FPS we are getting actually is 60 frames per second only. This restriction is due to the restriction in OxygenOS itself. The game runs fine. So AutoHurge provides a quick setting tile which we can use quickly to switch between 60 Hz and 120 Hz. As I have selected 120 Hz, and now when I open BGMI again, it will open at 90 FPS. See, now when I tap system status, the FPS will be seen as 90 FPS. AutoHurge is a paid app. I think it costs 89 rupees, so you can easily pay for it and get it. It's a very good app because we have no idea when OnePlus is going to fix this issue. So let's start. So let's download AutoHurge app first. So we're going to Play Store and search for AutoHurge. Let's open it. AutoHurge needs a one-time permission from a laptop or a PC. So you need a laptop or a PC for it to work. Also, it's just a one-time activation only and it will survive a reboot. So that's a good news for each one of us. Again, you need to enable USB debugging in developer options of your phone. So go to developer options and enable USB debugging. Head over to a PC now. On a PC, I'm assuming you have installed the ADB and device drivers. So if you haven't, you can always search on Google for ADB drivers. So I'm going to my folder. See, we need to start a command prompt here. So if you have a CMD here app, you can directly open it or type CMD in address bar to open command prompt easily. Now after you've connected your device, you can type ADB devices in command prompt and it will list the devices you have attached, and that's it. Now this I have just copy pasted and that's done. Go to AutoHurge app again and it is activated. Now we're not going to use any of these features. You can definitely force an app permanently to be on 120 Hz Like BattlegroundsMobile India, it has 3 options: auto, 60 or 120, but I am going to use the quick setting tiles for quickly switching between 120 and 60. Let's add the quick setting tile. Here it is, and done. It has 3 options: force 60, force 120 and auto. Let's show you the refresh rate while I'm switching between those modes. That will clear things up more easily. See, it switches back to 60. Now when I will force 120, it will run at 120. On auto, it defaults to the OxygenOS defaults. Now let's start BattlegroundsMobile India and see if it runs at 90 FPS or not. The refresh rate stays at 120 Hz, and when I go to graphics settings, it is set at 90 FPS. Let's check system status. And as you can see, game is currently running at 90 FPS. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video.